Hello everyone, myself Dr. Raksha Vaidya and today I am going to discussing about the BSc Nursing course. In this video I have covered about the course, eligibility criteria for BSc Nursing, entrance exam for BSc Nursing course, fee structure BSc Nursing, top colleges which provide the BSc Nursing course, subject study during the BSc Nursing course, career prospectus and the job profile, and after this we have covered the salary package after done the BSc nursing course. So now see the about the BSc nursing course. BSc nursing is an undergraduate course that all medical aspirant can pursue in different BSc nursing colleges in India. The course in India is offered as a 4-year undergraduate program for all students who have cleared the class 12 from the stream of science. And the course can be availed at any recognized institute or the university with the recognition from the authorized body. Okay, so as per the Indian Nursing Council, the course is offered under the choice-based credit system. The program will be specifically designed by the college or university that will offer the program, but all educational institute will have to abide by the regulation specified by the INC. As per the guideline, the student will pursue foundational course and elective course. So this was all about the nursing course, BSc nursing course, and this program has been designed to train the student in generalistic nursing practice, and students will be trained and educated on the process of the wellness, illness and disease management, health promotion along with the taking of the dying as part of becoming a nurse. The program focuses on the mastering the various competence of the field. Eligibility criteria for the BSc nursing course. The all candidate must have crossed at least the 17 years of age of 31st December of the year they wish to seek admission, and the maximum age limit for the course is at 35 years of age by the 31st December of the same year. Okay, and the candidate must have cleared the class 12th board examination from one of the recognized board education in a stream of science, that the physics, chemistry, biology and along with the English. Candidate will have to individually pass all the mentioned subjects like physics, chemistry, biology and English. Third one is the candidate will further be required to have obtained the 45% aggregate score in qualifying exam. Since all admission will be based on the performance in entrance exam, the candidate will be required to sit for either a state level entrance exam or university level entrance exam. Now see the BSc nursing admission process. The admission process include appearing for an entrance exam and which will be conducted by either the state or the university level. Admission will be made based on the merit which will be calculated using the performance in entrance exam. So the candidate may also be required to sit for a counseling process or be asked to sit for a selection process as defined by the university or college offering the course. For those who have appeared for the state level entrance exam will be asked to sit for counseling session, while for those who appeared for university level entrance exam they will be asked to sit for the selection process as defined by the university. Now see BSc nursing entrance exam. So we see the admission to undergraduate nursing program will be based on the performance in the entrance exam which are conducted at the both state and the university level, and it depends on the college or university to accept one or the other entrance exam. So here are some BSc nursing entrance exam you can attempt. First one is the AIMS BSc nursing, second is the Chhattisgarh BSc nursing, third one is the Banaras Hindu University BSc nursing, fourth one is the JIPMED BSc nursing, and fifth one is the RUHS BSc nursing. BSc nursing course fees. In order to pursue the 4-year undergraduate program, the student will be asked to shed out the course fees ranging between the 20,000 to 2,50,000 annually. So, however, the fees will be depend on the type of the college. For example, if you join the private college, there should be fee structure slightly different from the government college. If you join the government college, you should pay the little bit amount of the fees. So there is a we can say the fees ranging between the 20,000 to 2,50,000 annually. So here is the syllabus of first year student. First, you will study about the general sciences, applied nutrition and the dietetics, communicative English, applied biochemistry, nursing foundation part 1 and part 2, applied anatomy and applied physiology, introduction to community health nursing, and the applied sociology and applied psychology. In your second year, the syllabus is applied microbiology and the infection control, pharmacology part 1 and part 2, pathology part 1 and part 2 and with the genetics, adult health nursing part 1 and part 2, and educational technology or nursing technology you will also read in your second year, professional value ethic and bioethics. These all are the subjects you will study in your second year. In third year BSc Nursing, you will study about the Child Health Nursing Part 1 and Child Health Nursing Part 2, Mental Health Nursing and Part 1 and Mental Health Nursing Part 2, Nursing Management and the Leadership, Community Health Nursing with the Epidemiology, Introduction of the Forensic Nursing and Indian Law, Midwifery, Obstetric Gynecology Nursing Part 1 and Part 2. In fourth year, you will study about the community health nursing part 2 and the mental health nursing part 2. After the completion of your course, it means fourth. After the completion of fourth year, you should to join the internship. Here is the top nursing colleges list. First one is the AIMS Delhi. Second is the CMC Vellore. Third one is the AFMC Pune. Fourth one is the JIPMER Puducherry. Fifth one is the Madras Medical College Chennai. Sixth one is the GGSIU New Delhi. Seventh is the Sri Ramchandra Medical College and Research Institute Chennai. Eighth one is the Government Medical College Amritsar. Ninth is the Kelly University Belgaum, and 10th is the Bharati Vidyapeeth University Institute of Management Kolhapur. BSc in nursing career option and the job prospectus. So the nursing industry has been growing rapidly and the career opportunity in the field have been growing side by side. In India, students who are successfully able to clear all subjects under the BSc nursing program are eligible for a career in the field of the nursing. However, pursuing a career is not the only way forward, as graduate will also be able to pursue higher education and expand their career option as well. So, we see the career option and the job prospectus available to you after you are complete the program. Like you can join as a nurses in hospital, you can work as a nurses. Second, you can work as a nursing assistant. You can join as a home care nurse also, ward nurse, infection control nurse, nursing tutor job is also available for you, nurse manager, nursing assistant supervisor, nursing educator or the tutor, and the junior psychiatric nurse. You can join in any hospital and any college, or you can boost your career after your BSc in nursing. Now see the average salary package offered to graduate of Bachelor of Sciences Nursing range from the 32.2 lakhs to 7.8 lakhs per annum. So here I give the some example from the different institute. So there is a job title is a staff nurse BSc nursing. The salary is a 50,000 per month. In Mahatma Gandhi Medical Hospital BSc nursing salary is 21,000 178 per month. It means it is around the 22,000 per month. In Rajasthan hospital, BSc nursing salary is 22,641 per month. And in other institute, which are the state, I can say the MP, Chhattisgarh, Haryana. So here is you will get a 24,848 uh, rupees per month. It means it is around the 25,000 per month. So we can sum up all the values and we can say that after completion of your course at least you will earn 3.2 lakhs annually. So this was all about the BSc nursing course, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the further notification of my video, and please like, share and comment on this video.